Hey guys, like Korean food? Today we're doing jimdak, fall off the bone Korean style braised chicken in a sweet and savory sauce with a kick. Sound good? Let's go!
Let's start off by washing the chicken. Pay attention to the areas where the bone was cut because there could be bits and pieces left over. Also, make sure to remove any chunks of fat and guts unless you're okay with eating it, and in that case just skip this step. Once your chicken is nice and clean, set it aside. Washing chicken splashes water around and that spreads bacteria, which is why some people say not to wash raw chicken. Personally, I think it's okay to wash chicken as long as you clean the area. Also, don't forget to wash your hands. Now put your chicken into some boiling water and boil for a couple minutes. This will get rid of any leftover funk you don't want to be eating. Now rinse off your chicken and add enough water to cover it up. Then add 80 to 100 milliliters of soy sauce, 80 to 100 milliliters of mirim or cooking wine, about 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 to 3 spoons of dark brown sugar, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now hit it with some freshly ground pepper, some peperoncinos, and lower your heat to a medium-low and go for 30 minutes. While we wait, let's prep the veggies. Roughly chop up 2 to 3 small potatoes, half a carrot, some green onion, half an onion, some spicy Korean peppers, and a red pepper. The red pepper is mostly for looks, so you can skip it if you want. 30 minutes later, add your potatoes and carrots and go for another 10 minutes. These are going in first because they take longer to cook. 10 minutes later, add some Korean rice cake and the rest of your veggies. Feel free to add water if your sauce is getting low and mix everything together. Go for about 5 more minutes or until your potatoes are cooked through, and finish it off with a drizzle of sesame oil and we're done. Korean braised chicken, jimdak. Enjoy!